Om Shri Satnam Sakhi Jai Sri Krishna. Satsang Varkha, Book 6. A compilation of satsang discourses of the most revered Sadguru Swami Shanti Prakash Ji Maharaj. Discourse 8. Unique Service and Loyalty of Shri Hanuman Ji. Guru Maharaj Ji narrated a story. Shri Hanuman Ji Maharaj is the original form of Lord Shankar. The special purpose of his emergence was the service of Lord Ram. Therefore, he was always ready to serve Lord Ram. He used to do every kind of service for him. There is no such work which Hanumanji did not do for Lord Ram. Hanumanji was very skilled in all kinds of work. Hanumanji Maharaj was also knowledgeable and clever. Lord Ram was always happy with his unique devotee. When Lord Ram ascended the throne, all the brothers, namely Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughan, divided the service of Lord Ram among themselves. Thus, having fixed all the services among themselves, the three brothers came to Lord Ram, bowed down and requested, "O Lord, you love Hanumanji so much that for the entire 8 hours that he is in your exclusive service, we remain away from your lotus feet. Therefore, now please give us the opportunity of serving you, so that we should not be separated from your lotus feet." Lord Ram thought, "Everyone is dear to me. What should I do now?" So he said, "Write down all your services and then let me see." Soon the list of services was ready. Everyone had fixed their own services for Lord Ram. When Sri Hanumanji saw the list, he was distraught and realized that his name is not there in the list. Tears started streaming from his eyes and he thought, "I have come for the service of my Lord Ram. That is my main purpose in this life." So he looked at the list of services again to see if there is a service which has been left by mistake. Then he found one. We all know when a person yawns, then there is a tendency to snap fingers. And it's a trick that is beneficial also. So Shri Hanumanji Maharaj thought, "This is the only service that is suitable for me." He pleads at the feet of Lord Ram and says, "O Lord, there is one service that is left in this list, and I have kept that for myself. Kindly accept it." Lord Ram asked Hanumanji, "Which one?" He said, "Dear Lord, every time you yawn, you snap fingers, isn't it? So from now onwards, I will snap my fingers so you don't have to take the trouble. I will do it as my service for you." Thus, everyone accepted this service for Hanumanji. Now from that day onwards, Hanumanji was always engaged in Lord Ram's service like a shadow. Because you never know when Lord Ram will start yawning, he thought he has to be always careful. That's why Hanumanji kept snapping his fingers every time he was close to Lord Ram. Hanumanji was very pleased because this service was such that one had to be near the Lord always. And Hanumanji also needed such service so as not to be separated from the Lord even for a moment. Now, as the Lord was going to his room to sleep, Hanumanji also accompanied him. When Sita Ji saw this, she asked him, "Where are you going?" Hanumanji said, "Mother, my service is to snap fingers whenever Lord Ram yawns, and I do not know when Lord Ram would yawn. That's why I am going in this service." Mother Sita said, "No, Hanumanji, the service of the room is unto us. So now you may take a break." Eventually, he could not enter Lord Ram's bedroom. Lord Ram thought that Hanumanji is my true devotee, so he should not be disappointed like this. Now, Lord Ram did a pastime. He started yawning and kept yawning constantly. Bhagavati Sita was astonished as to what happened to the Lord all of a sudden, that he could not stop yawning. Soon everyone was called. Even Guru Vashisht Ji was called. He asked what happened. Mother Kaushalya said, "Gurudev, we don't know what is the reason for this. But suddenly Ram is yawning so much." Guru Vashisht turned his gaze around and saw all the members of the palace are standing. but Hanumanji is missing. There is definitely some issue. Guru Vashisht said, all the members are here, but Hanuman is not visible. Sita ji said that probably he is missing because he is resting after serving Lord Ram the whole day. Guru Vashisht said, Hanumanji does not sleep at all. He must be sitting somewhere. So he called out, Hanuman, where are you? And quickly Hanumanji appeared. Guru Vashisht asked him, where were you, dear Hanuman? Hanumanji replied, Gurudev, I was in the service of Lord Ram. He asked, what kind of service were you doing? Hanumanji replied, I was just snapping my fingers. Guru Vashisht ji asked, snapping your fingers for what? Hanumanji said, it is my service that when Lord Ram will yawn, then I will do the service of snapping fingers to divert his sleep. That's why I keep snapping my fingers all the time. Look, I am still snapping. Guru Vashisht ji said, my dear Hanuman, your service is great, but now stop a little so that the yawn of Lord Ram also stops, as he needs to sleep. As soon as Hanumanji stopped snapping at the behest of Guru Vashisht, the yawning of the Lord also stopped. That's when Lord Ram said, a sincere devotee can never be separated from the service of the Master. The true devotee is in the heart of the Lord. It is said that the devotee is bigger than the Master. Guru Maharaj Ji said, it means Hanumanji's exclusive and loyal service tied Lord Ram in his love. The Lord surrenders himself only in exclusive devotional service. Just as Hanuman had an exclusive devotion towards the Lord, you should also love the Lord in the same way and serve him. बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की जय।